You think moving to a tropical paradise island is gonna be all sunshine and coconuts. But boy, did we learn our lesson last episode when our entire house was flooded by a massive 3-day-long storm.
Oh no, my rug!
It was dirty, dangerous. Oh gosh, that plug is in water.
Get off the water.
Oh my gosh. And disappointing. What's happening?
I mean, I don't know. It's been raining for 3 days. It's flooded.
But after every storm here on the island, there is a rainbow. So there's no time to wallow because we are about to welcome our first house guest, who is the ripe young age of 90 years old. She's here, the package! I'm Kate.
I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Kate, and this is the adventure of our family fixing up our dream home in paradise.
It's nice not having the pergola here anymore, isn't it?
I know.
That storm probably would have taken it out anyway. Our
Yeah.
grass is looking a little greener. You want to go inside? Okay.
He's very used to being inside lately.
We have insurance claims started, and we're just gonna have to see. I mean, fortunately, it seems like things dried out pretty well. Like the water drained from the ground well. The trenches worked. I mean, the floors are just ruined, but obviously we're eventually planning on replacing those. So trying to look at the bright side, but I think we're gonna be okay.
Yeah, thankfully.
What are you guys spraying?
We're using this non-toxic spray paint to spray all of the dangerous spots. Because Gigi's coming and she's kind of rickety on her feet because she's an old lady and there's so many treacherous spots in this house. Gigi is coming! That is great grandma. She used to be Granny, but now that Moon's around, she's a great grandma. So she's Gigi. She's coming from New York all the way here. She's 90 years old, you guys. She is flying for like 12 hours to get here. The thing I am concerned about is we have to granny-proof this property. Moon's gonna spray the slippery spot. This is where the algae likes to grow because of this. The leaky gutter leaks
The rain
down
drips
onto
down
here.
onto here and then makes it really slippery.
Polka dot. Moon and I have our spray paint. It is spray chalk, totally non-toxic, and he is helping me spray all of the treacherous, trippable areas. Okay.
Do we need to spray the lemon?
Okay, over here. This room that we're prepping for Gigi is one of the interior guest rooms close to our bedroom. There's 2 closets, and I'm thinking we should make one of these closets into a little nook and make it an artsy moment with one of our wallpapers. Keeping it consistent with the rest of the house, we are painting all the walls, the trim, and the ceiling the same color. And this color we are painting, I'm obsessed with. It's this kind of mauve-y purple. It's very relaxing.
We're gonna use the Mr. K moon bed in here. It's perfect because we're taking those closet doors off. It's just more concealed storage because this bed comes with 4 drawers under it, and they're really nice sized drawers.
This gecko is like,
WTF, guys.
One of our favorite things to do is to go out into nature, and obviously a very Hawaiian traditional thing is to give someone a lei when they arrive. So we're gonna let Moon pick some flowers and we're gonna make a lei for Granny.
wow, that smells so good.
My one smelled really good. Look, Dada mowed that one.
It smells so good, buddy.
Okay, so I've never made a lei before. I don't have my craft supplies. We haven't unpacked them yet from the pod. So yes, I am using painter's tape and a necklace. Hopefully Gigi won't be wearing her glasses when she receives this lei. I'm looking at the weather report. I'm just making sure it's gonna be good weather.
Are you so excited?
It's gonna be good weather, yes. Gigi, Granny, she's coming And it is such a big deal. Like, I have not seen her in 2 years, over 2 years. She hasn't seen Moose since she was 5 months old.
Well, she lives in New York, so she's been stuck in New York for the pandemic. And she had like crazy health issues during the pandemic.
Yeah. She's had breast cancer. She had a mastectomy. That was before the pandemic. And then during the pandemic, she had this heart thing that she was hospitalized for. It was really, really scary. We were on the other side of the country. Like, I didn't know.
Well, and you're also like super close to Gigi.
Yes, I'm very close to Gigi. Yeah, I mean, growing up, she lived with us like 6 months out of the year. And I mean, she loves like thrifting and DIY projects and all that stuff. And so I definitely got my love of that stuff from her, but she also like emotionally has been really there for me, like during my parents' divorce and stuff. She's just been my rock. And just the fact that I haven't seen her in 2 years is the longest I've ever not seen her. And the fact that she's 90 years old and coming here from New York, she wanted to. She's super excited about it. Don't worry, we're not like
we're not making her come here.
I don't know. I hope I don't cry. I probably will cry when I see her, and I hope she knows that they're happy tears because it's very special that she's gonna come out here.
Yay!
Yay! And we have to make her room super cute.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So what was one of the closets, we have the doors off. We were just gonna paint it, but now that we're gonna create this sort of dresser nook, we thought it would be cool to do some of our peel and stick wallpaper in here. So in this room and in this closet, the walls are all wood planks. So in order to put up the peel and stick wallpaper, I'm gonna go ahead and put up a backing paper. So this is a really great trick. If you have textured walls, or you have cinder block walls, or you have wood paneled walls, you can get this backing paper that basically just makes your wall turn into a smooth wall. It comes pre-pasted, so you just get it wet, put it on the wall, smooth it out, and now you have a completely smooth wall to apply peel and stick wallpaper to, or regular wallpaper to, or you can even paint it. I'm gonna run that horizontally so that then when I run my wallpaper vertically, you don't see any of the seams.
A ceiling fan is a must in the islands. We wanna keep the airflow going, so we're adding this nice minimalist ceiling fan, which just looks really nice against the painted ceiling. This is one of our wallpapers! It's called the Dried Flower Kaleidoscope. It's also available in like this beautiful neutral colorway, like all kind of beigey cream colors. But this is obviously the brighter, more dramatic version.
Look at that view. Yeah, both of you.
I may or may not have matched my lipstick to this wallpaper.
We're just gonna make sure we use our level, because as we go, you wanna make sure that your pieces are level and you're not really using your walls, because your walls probably aren't level.
I think we should switch sides because there's no way I'm getting this.
We're working on storage, but obviously this is like some of our artwork from our new art line, and this is some of our new bedding from our new bedding line.
Yes, we have a bedding line. I know. You guys watching these videos are like, how many product lines do you have? It's a lot, and let me just tell you, it's so exciting. I mean, there's a lot of options. Like that one's cute because it's got the purpley color. This one's got the mauve. The bedding that we're creating is so fun. I love that we're able to do these bed in a bag sets. So you're getting like the comforter, the sheets, the throw pillows, the throw blanket, all in one thing. This one is so cute with like this beautiful peach and then the kind of like terrazzo watercolor splotches on it. I feel like we bring this in and see how this one looks. And then this one's just like a more simple, neutral, but like kind of heathered.
All right, Kate.
No, wait.
What's it gonna be?
Wait. Please hold. Okay, I got the curtains too, so that'll help us decide bedding, I think. This is what we could get in a pinch. Even though those are frosted glass, I feel like it'll be nice to just give her the option for curtains. Ooh, okay, so this I love, but the orange and the yellow is kind of like throwing me off. Because we have this sort of off tone of the curtains, that kind of reads.
Well, also because we're trying to do
that.
the monochromatic thing.
Well, there's arguments for both, but I appreciate your argument for this one, and I agree.
Thank you.
We have our own artwork coming out, and what's so cool about this range of artwork is that it's fully finished. You get the canvas already framed beautifully with a wood frame. There's like glass ones, there's smaller ones, there's 3D art.
So with all this stuff, there's gonna be a link in the description, like because we have our bedding, our wall art, our wallpaper. It's all coming out this coming year. So make sure and click the link in the description. You can add your email address and we'll let you know when it's all out. I mean, this is a Mr. Kate room to the max. We are using like pretty much everything Mr. Kate in here, which is just crazy that we have the ability to have these product lines now. It's of course all thanks to all of you.
Just pretend Bryce has blonde hair with
Bryce, we're back.
Oh no, it's
Go that way.
Behind the scenes, here's Andrew. This is our new wonderful local crew, guys. Switch! That was heavy. It looks really good. This is a Stella dresser from our furniture collection, just coming out soon. Pulls are gold feathers, which is just like a really cool, whimsical moment.
This is also a really cool piece because it's drawers, but then you also have storage.
Yeah, there's a little cabinet. So this could be a really cool media unit too, like under a TV. But right now it's gonna be for Granny's clothes if she wants to unpack. So good. There's so many options for artwork, but I do think that this set of the hand-sketched flowers is just a nice graphic element in contrast with the very patterned wallpaper. On the dresser, we're placing this kind of like sunset motif. This round throw pillow is also from our bedding collection, adds just like a punch of peach, still keeping kind of monochromatic with the purple. And then the Creative Weirdo pillow, I just have to put up above the dresser. And on top, I'm just doing, again, minimal styling, a little tray. And above the dresser, we're styling a mirror, so it kind of becomes like a little vanity moment. I've always wanted to get for guests, the fold out luggage holders, and we found these when we went to reuse Hawaii, and I got 2 of them, so this is perfect. I'm putting one in for Gigi. On the shelves, I'm just placing some storage bins and a laundry basket underneath so that Gigi can unpack, have little areas to store her things, and it's not over cluttered with too much decor. Oh my gosh, it looks so cozy in here. I love how all the colors came together, the patterns. It really is beautiful, and I'm so excited to get my old lady here. Let's go get her.
It's kind of tradition that every time Granny comes to visit, I go and pick her up. The last time I went to pick her up, I wore like I dressed up and had a sign for her, and so I'm gonna pick her up at the airport again. Very excited to welcome her to the island.
Gigi's here, Gigi's here. She's here, the package!
Hi, sweetheart, how are you?
I'm good, I'm so glad you're here.
Listen, I have to tell you, what a, what's this?
Look at this grown up. We made you a lei. Oh no, I think we lost a flower on the way here. It's in the islands. We have to welcome you with a lei. Gigi's here. I mean, I can't help but be like overcome with emotion. It's been so long since I've seen her, and she's such a special person to me. And the fact that she's here to see Moon, and the fact that she got through all the health stuff, it's such a big deal. So welcome, Gigi. Aloha.
It was a very long time.
I can't believe it, Gigi.
And he was just a little baby the
I
last
know.
time.
He couldn't even walk the last time.
Oh
Or crawl,
my
right?
God, yeah.
All right, so I've known Gigi a long time. I've gotten to know her personality, and she's very dry, and If I had to guess how she's gonna react when she walks into this room, she's gonna walk in and she's gonna go, "Oh yes, very nice, dear, very nice." Something along those lines. So let's see what she thinks about her purple paradise.
Oh, oh, it's beautiful.
Do you like the color?
Yes, I do.
How was her blood pressure say?
Oh, it says 120/80.
What do you recommend?
Well, I tell everyone he doesn't speak in sentences. He speaks in paragraphs. Very opinionated. Too smart for his britches. Give me a break. Do you mind? Could you move it a little bit? What do you think?
No.
What? No. What about yes?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. Mom, Dad, he won't get off my paper. Oh, thank you, Moon.
Now that we welcomed our first guest, we've finished our kitchen, it is time to move on and finally finish our living and dining room. Next week.